how to get payment receipt from Yono SBI. Now, this actual process is very easy to follow as long as you will listen through step-by-step guide. Now, everything can be accessed via the transaction history, and you could also change the specific range of the date wherever you want. So all I have to do is, of course, log in into your Uno SBI account using your PIN, fingerprint, or password. Now go to services and then just simply tap on the services icon so that you can go ahead and select transaction status inquiry. Now choose the specific transaction status inquiry from the available services and then go to the specified transaction details. From there, you can try to change the specific time and date wherever or what specific receipt would you like to have. Now download or view the transaction details first for you to double check it and then download the receipt. You can try to print it or share it on the available options that you can go using the application. And that's it. That's how you get payment receipt from Uno SBI.